Hi, my name is Charles, and today we're going to talk about your inventory. The inventory is going to be one of the most important assets to your software. This is where you can go to check on product sale history, and if you want to see how good items are selling, or you can check to see where employees are ripping you off, stuff like that. So, okay, from the main menu, go ahead and hit the inventory button, and what I'm going to do is pull up an item. All right, now right here we have the item number. This is what pretty much we'll use to scan when we're about to sell items. This is what we consider the item category, and based on the item, we can categorize our inventory. Now, this is very important because the system allows you to not only scan items, but you can also type in a portion of the description to pull up items, or you can search by the category. So if you have the products categorized incorrectly, then it's going to be hard to search for items. This here, the status, we can set this to active or inactive. And when we put it to inactive, it's not going to allow it to be viewed in inventory, or we can't sell it. Here we have the purchase cost. This would be the selling price. And if you wanted to automatically give a discount on this item, we can leave it there. This would be the quantity on hand. The critical quantity is the quantity at which we want our system to automatically remind us that it's time to reorder this item. The stock value is pretty much the quantity on hand multiplied by the purchase cost. And the total added to stock would be the total amount of these items that we entered into the system. The quantity one, price one, quantity two, price two is really for wholesaling. And what you're actually saying when you use these values is that when your customer purchases 10 or more, the price drops from $1 to 90 cents. And if they reach a quantity of 20 or more, then the new price is 85 cents per item. So we use that in wholesale situations. Here we have the new item button. We use this to add a new item into inventory. The edit item, if we wanted to change any of the information here. We use the quick add quantity button if you just want to update certain quantities on this. The location talks about where the item is in your store. The markdown feature is what we use in the event that we have some products that are damaged and we can't sell them and we just want to get them out of the inventory to correct values. We use that feature. The clear will clear the whole screen, and update is the button we use after we press new item or edit item. Here says all inventory items. This would be all the inventory items that we have now. The category says all. We can also filter this by just the accessories. Now it's down to 13 records. We can also go to, say, battery backups, and it'll just pull up those items. And if we wanted to show the inactive ones as well, we just select this. So now it's 10 records, so it'll show us all the inactive ones as well, the ones that we don't sell anymore. Then we have inventory reports. For the same item here, the blank CDs, I can find the sale history. And I'm just going to go back to, let's say, November 3rd, fresh. So these are all the items the instances where that particular item was sold. I can also see the inventory entry logs, the different times when the items were added to inventory, and the markdowns, and no items were found. So then I can also go ahead and go do the category discounts. You might have a discount, let's say, on all accessories in your store. You're not certain between the 5th and the 7th, and you can go ahead and set the starting date of the sale, the ending date, what sort of discounts you're giving, and the category for which that discount applies. But we'll go into that in more detail. And here we have the reorder reminders. These are all the items that pretty much needs to be reordered out of your system. When the system just automatically tells you that, hey, it's time to reorder. And that's pretty much it. Just as an overview, we're going to go into this some more detail in a minute.